How to make money online. When I read about making money on most sites, it always seems to be a little cheesy or some type of link hacking system that is too good to be true. There are, however, some great individuals who do it right. In the video below I'll mention who some of them are and give you my top 12 ways to make money online in an authentic, inspiring, educating and entertaining way. A way that leaves you full not by the amount of money in your bank account, because it can be a lot if you do it right, but by the emails you receive by customers on how you change their life, or when you meet an online client in person with tears rolling down their face expressing how their dreams have been achieved because of you. It's a powerful feeling, and I want you to experience that. But it takes knowing how to do it the right way that both serves your vision and supports others. Here are my top 10 ways to make money online with integrity. 1. Teaching and training. This is my number one way, and I've been doing this for the last 5 years. This is something that almost every major university has been doing, taking their classes online, due to the huge success they saw from University of Phoenix, which set the tone for online education. It's easier now more than ever for companies and entrepreneurs to launch online schools, and my good friend Marie Forleo is a prime example with her mega success, B-School. 2. Offering a service. Providing a service may be the easiest way to start, as you don't need any investment to get this going. My podcast editor Ian Robinson is helping podcast creators edit their shows to increase production value. There are many different ways to provide a service, and it's just about realizing where your talent lies and what solution you can provide for others. 3. Creating and selling products. If you have an expertise in anything, then you can package it into a book, course, software, audio program, DVD, and so on. The best way to get the word out and sell these products is with webinars. 4. Membership sites and continuity programs. Another champion that I have a lot of respect for in this arena is Ramit Sethi. He has an amazing continuity program, Ramit's Brain Trust, and each month provides useful and specific information for his passionate community. The community thrives off of his wise direction and pay him monthly to continue getting access to the community and resources. The beauty of this model is you sell something once and get paid each month for it. 5. Affiliate marketing. Nick Reese has done an incredible job of building websites, developing outstanding searchable content and selling other people's products on his sites. He gets a commission on every sale or lead he sends to the company. So he never had to create his own product in order to build his business. He has since branched out into other areas that you can check out on his new site. Pat Flynn also does an amazing job at this, and he actually shows how much he generates on a monthly basis from his affiliates here. 6. Building a site and selling ads. Derek Halpern is a beast at this. The legend behind Social Triggers started a celebrity gossip site years ago and had millions of visitors every month that he leveraged to sell advertising on the site. Another example is Tina Su of ThinkSimpleNow.com, who does an amazing job with this while sharing inspiring personal development content. 7. Selling sponsorships. For branded content. John Lee Dumas generates over $50,000 monthly selling sponsorships on his podcast and writes about how he does this here. This can be done via podcast, developing a niched website, or even a video show. Create branded content around your passion and find sponsors that will be attracted to your audience. 8. Events. Creating and promoting events, either online or offline, can be very profitable as well. Michael Stelzner does both online summits and in-person events with thousands of attendees, all while starting out from a simple blog a few years ago. Masterminds and coaching. An inspiring change maker. Part of the Integrity Podcast Network is Jonathan Fields. He runs the Good Life Project and has ongoing coaching and retreats in exotic locations all year long that sells for a high ticket price. This can be done either online or offline, as Jonathan has mastered the art of doing both. 9. Getting creative. Jason Sadler, now known as Jason Surfer App, is one creative entrepreneur. He used his online platform to make money wearing companies' shirts with iwearyourshirt.com. Now he sells his last name for nearly $50,000 a year, sells sponsors pages in his new book, and continues to push the envelope with what you can earn by being creative. 10. YouTube. If you are not comfortable in penning down your thoughts through blogs and content writing, make use of your camera to create a video presentation. Create your YouTube channel, upload videos and start monetizing them. Choose a category or subject that you want to make videos on and get started, but make sure it's a topic that will interest a lot of people. Everything from cooking shows to political debates can find many takers on YouTube. You have to create a you. 11. Selling your products online. If you want to sell products online, you making it by creating your own website. As there's a lot of competition and several existing websites in place already catering to this market, an attempt to create a niche in terms of products may be considered. Or, you can use the platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart to sell. One can increase reach and visibility through affiliate marketing. 12 FTC cites several websites offer money after a minimum level of earning by clicking on advertisements. Hence, they are called paid-to-click (PTC) sites. One has to get registered before the project begins. Not all of these sites could be genuine, so be careful. One may also refer friends and earn money in the process. Some such sites are ClickSense.com, BucksP and NeoBucks are some of such PTC sites. Number 13, peer-to-peer lending. I've been making money with peer-to-peer lending for a long time. With websites like Lending Club, borrowers and investors can connect for mutually beneficial financial transactions. On the investing side, you can invest in crowdsourced loans for individuals who need to borrow money all over the United States. Returns tend to be high on these loans, and you can use these platforms to build more passive income for yourself while also helping someone out. Which peer-to-peer lending platforms should you sign up for? David Galland of Galland Research dove deep into every option a few years ago. Ultimately, he said that the best peer-to-peer platforms for investors were Lending Club, Prosper, Upstart, and Funding Circle. Number 14, crowdfunded real estate investing. There are a lot of real estate investing websites out there, but the one I still use to this day is Fundrise.com. With Fundrise, you add money to your account and professional investors will invest your money on your behalf and pay you dividends. If you want to invest in real estate without the hands-on hassles of being a landlord, this is a great way to get started with as little as $500. Number 15, sponsored social shares. Like sponsored posts on a blog, sponsored social shares take place. A company pays you to post about them on social media. This could be on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platform. I don't do much of this, but my wife gets paid some fat cash to post pictures and talk about things like furniture, rugs, and kids' clothes. It's almost funny to me how much money you can earn, and it is surprising the kinds of things people will pay for. Number 16, YouTube ads. Even though I used YouTube back in 2011, I didn't even turn on ads until 2017. When I did finally turn ads on, I started making $5,000 per $6,000 per month. YouTube ads are easy because all you have to do is turn on ads every time you publish a video. Obviously, you'll earn more money with this strategy as you build your viewership. Number 17, buying and selling websites. People buy and sell websites all the time for a variety of reasons. And, if you know what to look for, it's easy to buy websites that can help you earn some passive income over time. Personally, I have bought several sites over the years, including financeforteachers.com. I haven't done anything with the site since I bought it a year ago, but it still helps me earn $100 to $150 per month with no effort at all. Number 18, investment gains. Like anybody out there, you can set up an online brokerage account and buy ETFs or stocks. I've been able to make at least $100 per day off my investments for a long time, and this income is some of my favorites since it's entirely passive. Keep in mind that it's crucial to have traditional investments in addition to an online business that can help you rack up passive income. Just open an account with Scottrade, TD Ameritrade, or another online brokerage and you're good to go. There are so many ways to invest online these days that there is literally no excuse not to. I am tired of the excuses, so start investing your money to grow long-term wealth today. If you want to check out websites and URLs that are currently for sale, head to flipper.com. Number 19, brand sponsorships. This strategy runs alongside sponsored posts, but it's much more involved. Many brands want more than a sponsored post when they work with you. In fact, they are often willing to pay for some sort of sponsorship package that includes written content, videos, social shares, and more. I've done a few of these over the years, and they can be very lucrative but also a huge pain. But, if you're willing to jump through some hoops and you have a sizable following, you can absolutely consider brand sponsorships as yet another way to earn money online. Number 20, book or ebook. Finally, you can also consider writing a book. I wrote a book called Soldier of Finance several years ago, but I am still selling copies to this day. The growth of my YouTube channel has been a big part of that, which I am eternally grateful for. The cool thing about a book or an ebook is that, once it's out there, you can just keep selling it over and over. Plus, you can write a book about any topic you want. If you're interested in any topic, hobby, or idea, chances are other people are as well. The bottom line, while these are some of the ways you can make money online, this list isn't all-inclusive. We didn't talk about Facebook ads, retail arbitrage, membership groups, or a ton of other strategies.